Welcome back to Jetline Marvel for another thrilling aviation episode. The Airbus A380 would provide passengers with a more opulent and comfortable long-distance flying experience if it featured an upper deck with sleeping beds. Particularly for overnight flights or lengthy trips, having designated sleeping beds would allow passengers to rest and sleep during the flight. Emirates was the first airline to offer in-flight showers, and the Airbus business found it extremely difficult to install the water tanks inside the cabin while maintaining the aircraft's equal center of gravity. The A380-800 type has an 8,500 nautical mile (15,700 kilometers) design range, making it capable of non-stop flights from Sydney to Istanbul or Hong Kong to New York. The A380 is built to withstand 19,000 cycles. After reaching the location, the traveler will feel completely renewed. The A380 should be equipped with sleeping berths for the passengers. If the business class is fully booked, this would ensure the guests' comfort. The ability for passengers to lie down and unwind in a quiet area could greatly improve their comfort and well-being throughout the journey. Business travelers or those who wish to arrive at their destination rested may find this option particularly intriguing. However, it's crucial to keep in mind that interior improvements, such as the addition of sleeping accommodations, necessitate careful engineering and design work. The number of seats, weight distribution, and overall configuration of the aircraft would probably be affected by these alterations. There would also be practical difficulties in relation to cost effectiveness, space utilization, and safety restrictions. While adding beds to the upper deck of an A380 may improve comfort, it's important to weigh the technical, practical, and financial viability of such a change. In the end, the airline industry and aircraft manufacturers would need to thoroughly assess any choice to implement such changes. The lower loads and weight distribution must be taken into account in the primary technical specifications for the vehicle because it has an upper deck. The world's first economy, lie-flat sleep pods, known as the Skynest, will make their debut on Air New Zealand's Boeing 787 Dreamliners. Starting in September 2024, giving travelers the chance to experience the airline's most recent innovation. The Skynests will first be seen on flights to Auckland from New York and Chicago. Since it would be intriguing if any airline offered the Airbus A380 with these kinds of sleeping seats. Undoubtedly, it will be the future market for operators of airplanes. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts about A380 with the sleeping pod concept in the comment section.